The Bob Geiken Mogul Starting Clinic. Notice the intensity.
Yeah. I don't think it runs as good on that 6-stroke.
You taking notes, Eric? Giving it plenty of oil in it, right?
Yeah.
Nope.
Where does he get the glass? He makes those oilers too, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He does.
Well, I thought he did.
No, I think he buys them.
From who?
I don't know. That pulley he buys too.
Yeah.
Try that.
Yeah, I do want to go back through this.
Huh.
Now we lost her. Prime. Maybe it's out of gas, Bill.
Yeah. You run it so much.
I have.
Here's the dipstick.
Yeah, there ain't no dipstick.
This is using up very valuable video space.
Stop the video.
Well, no, I got to get all this ambiance.
Yeah.
This is what makes the video so colorful.
I'm not in the video, am I?
You are now. This is going on YouTube. No, I won't. I promise I won't. It's tempting
not
though.
today.
Link on Harry's.
Bill, you didn't show, how do you get them onto a YouTube?
You got to sign up to YouTube.
I did, but I don't know how you.
I'll have to show you. There's a download button on there.
Okay.
Is there a difference in the gallon jug of Coleman fuel and the quart jug of Coleman fuel? Or is it just more convenient?
The price.
I've got gallon jugs, I just refill that. It's easier to carry around.
You pumped it, right?
No.
Well. Ray should be here to help.
Yeah.
They can learn to run his.
Very sensitive. Try the other battery now.
I better make a little water and put it in the.
Yeah, that'd probably be a good idea. Don't want it to start on fire.
Yeah. I think I should have a. One of those big golf stack here.
Right. I'm even getting that on the video.
This is the technical part.
It's very technical.
Ooh, uh-oh. We overfilled it. I'm gonna overfill it.
I'll put it on YouTube, but they won't be able to search for it. The way I put them on, you can't search for it.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, it's just a number. The only way they can get it is you gotta send them the link.
Does that water pump put a load on the engine then?
Yep, a little bit.
So you can put a valve on there and just deadhead it. Watch the pump explode, huh?
Yeah.
Start spraying.
You gonna send a copy of this to, you gonna send a link to Sam then, or
That's
what?
what I was gonna do, yeah.
Well, you better tell him hi. You're not telling him hi.
Yeah, hi, Sam.
You know, we gotta get about 4 of these running all at the same time.
One's hard enough.
You have an answer for anything, don't you?
It's easier just to watch Bob run his. So you can just play the video next to yours.
Hook the electric motor up to the flywheel.
Right.
I don't know, but we're not getting any running through there.
It was. At
Was
one
there?
point.
Oh, water?
Yeah, the water's
It
not
was running through and then you added more water and then it quit.
There's a check right here. Just tap. That check might be stuck. There, now that did it.
Yep.
That's all I did is
He flicked his finger against
I
it.
flicked that pipe. That check was stuck.
Water get warm.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And you just monkey with the controls all day as it runs.
No, and then once no. I don't know why it's being so cantankerous today.
No, it's. I was trying to find that sweet spot, you know, because you move at such a little amount, and Bill knows, he was fooling with it.
Did you slow it down?
No, I didn't.
All right. There it goes.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Well,
Does the governor actually work, or do you just use that lever to adjust the speed?
no, the governor will work. In fact, if you do start yours is going to run a whole lot faster than this.
Maybe
That's
touch
the
it a little bit.
That's the way he sets them up. So I lengthen this rod to slow it down, you know. And so you have to overcome it a little bit to make it if you want to.
Oh, cap in the dirt.
And if you look in your, both of these chokes do work.
There. God damn it. Maybe you just gotta warm up a bit.
Running water.
Yeah.
You take something, yeah, like a pen and tap on that pipe.
There it goes.
I wonder if there's something you can put in the water to keep it from
I was
doing
saying
it.
the same thing, you know, the.
You don't want antifreeze though.
Distilled water?
Well, something that just almost like a little bit of water soluble coolant for like
Yeah, I
machines.
got some of that,
Water soluble coolant.
coolant, yeah, for, you know, when you're milling.
That doesn't. I don't think that stuff stains paint, does it?
I don't know.
Just something that keeps it from sticking.
Yeah. You lay your hand on the head of it, it'll be fine.
Hot, yeah.
But, yeah, you can feel this here, it's
Warm.
warm. We've got a good 11 or 12 minute video at my place on the bench.
This is the way to run them too, right on the ground on a mat. That's the way to, see how it's nice and still? That's what you want. You don't want it shaking and bouncing around on something.
You run in the basement on a bench? Snip it up at all?
Yeah, I have windows down there, so I have an exhaust fan on one end of the basement, the other end, and I have an oscillating just cable fan, you know, and it blows it out pretty good.
If you got a really good solid workbench, that'd be all right. But
Yeah.
you don't want anything that shakes or it won't work right.
The workbench like I got is like that, it doesn't move with that.
Well, my benches don't hold either.
Yeah, you know, so it sits on there and runs very nice.
2-inch thick white oak.
Yeah. But anyway, that's how they do it.
Pretty decent, huh? Good job, Sam.
Yeah.
That is decent, though.
If we could only get Bill and Eric to run theirs.
Right. It's easier to be a wuss.
I'm gonna try it on the 6-volt battery now.
Yeah. We'll try switching it over.
Yeah, and you may lose it too, but you can restart it, I guess. Whatever.
You know, you saw how it was acting. So little control on it, you could tell it had enough. Great. Out. I thought I could grab them and change her over, but I guess not.
That should start right up.
The weird spark.
Yeah, put it back to the other, I guess. Well, now we know.
Yeah.
I mean, I suppose, Bill, you could get it to.
It ain't gonna run the same, I don't think.
Nice to hide the battery down there.
It would. See, maybe we'll run a little choke there with it. See if it'll do it. It's a weaker spark, you can tell just by the way it fires.
Do they make that same size in a 12 volt? The same.
I can ask. I'll go look.
It just seems like a weak.
Yeah.
It's running.
Try it back on the other one
What
again.
I say, Bill, you know, maybe because I got that ballast.
It might be that coil, maybe a regular coil is
That
all right.
coil.
Oh, you don't have a coil.
He's
Yeah,
running
there's
it
a
through
coil in there.
Well, it's a ballast.
Oh,
Ballast.
you don't have a coil like we got. I bet you that would work.
I got one. I'll go get it. It's in the truck.
Like we got, those little coils.
Yeah, I have one
yeah.
too.
Try that.
How do you bypass that right now, though?
Well, we'd have to disconnect. Well, we could just go with these to the coil right to the igniter. You know, you don't have to run through that. Because when your ground is ground, you know, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You just
Let me
have to.
grab mine.
I'm gonna run out of video anyway.
Yeah. But doesn't that, I mean, it sounds weak.
Put her back in the battery one. The other battery.
Yeah. I would. Well, now I'm gonna have to,
Change it.
well, yeah, 'cause I was running a little heavier choke with that 6-volt. See?
Yeah. Yeah, that is better. Yeah, it works.
Different on the bulb?
Yeah.
Show Sam the building before the video runs out.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried it before it even stopped running, put on it, and it picked right up.
My 10M. And the Victor 6 horse. It's the building. I'm about out of video here.
You want to try to run it on that one once at this point?
Or stick me. Well, I'm out of video.